Hi, I'm Josue Leonar Pungtod, BSCpE 2A Day from CTU-DANAO campus. The topic I'm going to discuss right now is all about linear differential equation. So there are two standard form which are linear in y and linear in x. So linear in y, dy over dx plus p of x y equals q of x. So that's the linear in y standard form. So the formula of linear in y is y raised to integral of p of x dx equals integral of qx e times e raised to integral p of x dx. So that's the formula of linear in y. So in linear in x, the standard form of linear in x is dx over dy plus p of x p of y x equals q of y. So the formula of linear in x is ye raised to integral p of y dy equals integral of qy times e raised to p of y dy. So that's the standard form and the formula of linear in y and linear in x. So I have two sample in principle in mathematics. So the first is x dy over dx plus y equals x squared. So we're going to change it to standard form, which we can tell that this is linear in y because dy equals dx plus y because yeah, there are y there, and because the d is y. So yeah, so naman siya x sa diri, so ato na siyang i-times both side by 1 over x. So dy, so the standard form right now is dy over dx plus 1x y equals x. So mao din na mo siyang inana kay ato man siyang gi-times both sides, so ang x mo cancel, so cancel out sa both sides. So ang sa pikas kay x squared man, so mahimo mo siyang x. So mao na. So ang formula na nato mahimo siyang ye raised to of our p of x, which is 1x. So 1x integral of 1x dx equals integral q of x. So our q of x is x. So x integral q of x times e raised to p of x, which is 1x 1 over x dx. So dx. So yeah, we're going, so the integral, so dx yx dx is dx integral of dx over x, so equals integral x times e raised to same dx over x, so dx. So yeah, so the integral of dx over x is ln x. So ye ln x equals integral x times e ln x. So ln x said, so dx. So yeah, so cancel e and ln, so mabili na lang kay ang x. So ato na siya ipaubos. So yx equals integral x times x. So kay ang e na cancel naman, so y og ln kay cancel man, so bring down na siya x times x. So dx equals integral x squared dx. So yx equals integral of x squared dx is x3 x third x raised to 3 over 3 plus c. So if y gyud atong y equals nato siya, mahimo na siyang inani. So y equals x raised to 3 over 3x plus c over x equals x squared, cancel man, so x squared over 3 plus c. Mao day siyang na over na to og x kay ato man siyang gi cancel out no ang x diri sa yx, so ato man siyang gi tangtang, so ato na siyang gi kanang times both side, so mangnay-nana siya. So sa next example, so our next example is dy over dx plus y equals e raised to 3x. So pareho ra gyapon kay dy over dx plus y kay naguna man ang dy. So if pag-una gyud ng dx or over dy, so plus nya x na dira dapita or which ay mga value dira or nya x kuan na siya linear in x. So karon kay linear in y man, so our formula kay mo ra gyapon ye integral p of x dx equals kato so ye raised to integral dx kay ato ang p of x kay which is nam siya visible one dira invisible one dira sa y, so dx na siya integral dx, so equals integral q of x, or q of x is e 3x, so 3ex, then times e raised to same ang p of x is 1 gapon, so raised to integral dx, so ye, so the integral of dx is x, diba? So ye raised to x equals integral e raised to 3x times e raised to x kay ang integral sa dx kay x man, so dx equals, so e raised to 3x times e raised to x is kuan man e raised to 4x, di ba, dx, so so ye raised to x equals 1/4 e mo integral sa e raised to 4x, diba? So 1/4 over e raised to 4x plus c. So if ato na po siyang kuhaon into y ra gihapon, so mura gihapon ato gihapon siyang times both sides by ex, kay ex man ang diretong itangtang, so so mahimo siyang y equals e raised to 4x over 4ex plus c over ex, so cancel out ex, so ex cancel ex, so y equals e 3x over y equals e raised to 3x over 4 plus c over ex, so one answer. Derivation of the principles. The standard form is dy over dx plus p of xy over q of x. Next is the integrating factor, which is if, equals e raised to integral p of x dx. So next, the general solution is equals to yif, which is integrating factor, equals integral q of x if times if dx. So that's the standard form and the integrating factor and the general solution. So we have two examples. So the first one is y prime equals cosecant x minus y cotangent x. So ato na siyang i-form sa standard form. So dy over dx plus y cotangent, which is the p of x, so equals cosecant x, so which is our q of x. So na mo na siyang standard form. So ato na punta sa integrating factor. So ang formula sa integrating factor, which is e raised to p of x dx, so e raised to integral cotangent x. Nganong cotangent kay man ang coefficient sa atong y is cotangent x, diba? So dx, so so equals ang integral sa cotangent ay kuan man, ln sin man, di ba? Ln sin x man kay cotangent x man. So yeah, so equals e raised to ln sin x. So basta e og ln baya kay partner ba sila, so cancel. So sin x na lang nabilin, so equals sin x. So dali na ta, ato na ta sa general solution. So general solution, ang general solution nato kay y times y of kuanday, y of integrating factor equals integral p of x, q of x times if, which is integrating factor dx, di ba? So yeah, so y sin x equals integral d of x. Nahimo siyang integral d of x because cosecant times sin, di ba, kay kuan kanang 1 because they are reciprocal. So yeah, mo na siya nahimong integral dx. So y sin x equals, so ang kuan ba integral dx kay x ba, di ba? So yeah, so y sin x equals x plus c. So mo na atong final answer. So alita sa atong second example, which is the x to the power of 4 plus 2y dx minus x dy equals 0. So dapat man ato na siyang imong standard form man, di ba? So atong tangtangon ang kaning x diri sa dy, x kanang dira sa dy, then ang kanang mao na mo sa nang x dx kay para himuon na ato siyang d over dy, di ba? dx over dy, sakto. Sakto. So yeah. So x divided out 4 x to the power 4x over x dx equals to x to the power of 3, di ba? Plus 2y over x. So yeah, minus din. So cancel na to. Cancel na nato siya nga dapita. So may mo na siyang dy over dx minus dy over dx equals 0. So yeah, sakto na. May mo na siyang kuan standard form. So ay dili wa pa. Sakto wala pa lagi. So ato na siyang i-kuan kanang basta i-transform. So dy over dx minus 2y over x equals x cubed. So mana na standard form na ni siya diri. Naimo na siya to siyang standard form. So ang integrating factor is equals to e raised to integral p of x. So atong p of x kay kuan ba ang coefficient ba sa y kay 2 over x ba. So negative 2 over x ba. So atong p of x dira is negative 2x dx. So equals, so ang integral nato sa negative 2x, di ba, kay negative 2 ln man, di ba? So yeah, so ang negative 2 ln man na, so ato equals sa e ln x negative 2 atong gi-negative, atong siyang gihimong raised to x raised to negative 2 para ma-cancel out nato ang e to ln kay kuan ba na sila kanang partner. Yeah, so ang mabilin na lang kay x negative 2. So ato ang integrating factor kay x negative 2. So ato na ta sa general solution. So y of integrating factor ba ito, di ba? So y integrating factor nya equals to integral of q of x times integrating factor dx, di ba? So y x negative 2, which is our integrating factor, equals integrating q of x na to x is x cubed, di ba? Times if nato which is x negative 2 gyapon, so dx. So yeah, so atong gibali na din ato ang y over x squared, atong nang gipaubos ang x negative 2 aron ma positive. So yeah, naman siyang y over x squared equals to integrating x dx. So mangnay mo na siya x dx kay x cubed times x negative 2 ba, which is x baya, di ba? X dx so mao na nabilin. So yeah. So y over x squared equals x x squared na to over 2 plus c2. So ang answer ba ana sakto kay ang integral ba sa x dx kay x squared over 2 ba x squared over 2 plus c. So atong giveran og 2 sad sa plus t kay ato man siyang i-multiply each side both side to 2x squared. So yeah, kaya atong tangtangon sa dire sa y ang atong ang kaning over x squared. So meron siyang 2y equals x to the power of 4 plus c x squared. So mao na atong final answer.